Welcome to my channel, The Good Lakshya, and today we are going to learn about variable, print statement, and input statement. So let's get started. So first we will see what did we learn in the last class. So we learned about sequence, algorithm, and program, and we also installed IDE and Python to our system. So first we will see what is a variable. So a variable is a container whose value can change depending on certain conditions. Okay, so the box is holding a value. So variable would be the name given to the box, like x is equal to 100. So the value of x is equal to 100. X is a variable. Okay, so like a is a variable, and this variable stores the number 5. So the value of a is equals to 5, and here there is a variable name. Its name is number 1. So its value is 100. So the syntax to write a variable is the name of the variable and then is equals to sign and then the value. When we allocate a value to a variable, it is known as variable assignment. In Python, the syntax for it is variable name is equals to value. Okay. Then depending on values that are assigned to a variable, few common data types, variable type in Python are integers. Its type is int. Whole numbers such as 3, 300, 200 are known as integers. So to write an integer, we will use int. Okay, and now floating point, float. Numbers with the float are numbers with the decimal point like 2.3, 4.6, 100.0 are all float numbers. Okay, then strings. So ordered sequence of characters like hello, Sammy, 2000 and etc are all strings. To denote a string, we will write str. So now boolean, logical value indicating true or false. So a boolean is denoted by bool, bool. Okay. So now input, process output. It's an IPO cycle. The computer uses this method to process our code. First, we will input our code or a command, then the computer will process it and then it will give us the output. Variable data you enter is known as the input, and the birthday card you get is the output. So now we are going to make a birthday card. So output. First we will see what is an output. Output in Python. Prints message given. Between with new line default. Statement is print happy birthday. So the output will be happy birthday. If the statement is name is equals to Sana. Print happy birthday and then name, comma name. So it will print happy birthday Sana. And if the statement is age is equals to 5, age is variable and the value of it is 6 or 5, 6. Okay. And name is equal to Sana. Name is a variable and its value is Sana. So anything written between these double quotes or a quote is considered to be a string. So now we will write print happy and then comma age comma th birthday comma name. So it will print happy 6th birthday as Sana. Okay. So input is when the input function executes, program flow will be stopped until the user has given an input. By default, all input in Python is taken as string. So syntax of this is, first we will write input and then we will start the parenthesis and then we will write our message and then parenthesis closed. So it will return the value entered by user for the message printed on screen. Okay, message is optional. Okay, so now we are going to do an activity. The activity is get all the relevant details from user and prepare a birthday invitation card. So let's open our idle ideally. It's opening. So after opening it, I will make a new file, and then first I will make a variable. The name of the variable is name. Okay, name is equals to input, and then I want to give a message that what is, or we can also say enter your name. Okay, and then it another variable age is equals to input, enter your age, and then address, or we can also say venue, but I will write address is equals to input, enter your address. Okay, the name 2 is equals to input, and then enter the name of the invitee. Okay, so here we will write print and then star into 15. So this statement will print star 15 times. Okay, and then comma, birthday, then card, and then again comma, and then star into 15. So this line is optional. I'm just writing this line to decorate our output. Okay, and then we will write print happy, no, sorry, we will write you are invited to the birthday party of, and then comma, and then I will write name. Okay, and then print so you are invited to the comma age, and then comma th birthday party of name. Okay, and now we will print venue. So we will write venue in double quotes, and then is equals to sign, and then double quotes closed. Okay, is equals to sign, and then double quotes closed, and here comma address, and then parenthesis closed, and we will add one more thing here, that date is equals to input, enter birth date. Okay, and then print date is equals to date. Okay, and then now we will save it and then run it. So it's asking enter your name. So my name is Lakshya, and then enter your age. My age is 13, and then enter your address. So anything that I will add, and then enter your name of the invitee. So I want to invite A, B, C. Okay, and then enter birth date. So my birth date is 06 and then 08. I can also say 6th August. 6, 6th August. Then enter. So ABC is invited to the 13th birthday party of Lakshya. Venue is equals to this and date is equals to 6th August. So today we created a birthday card generator. Okay. So today we learned about variables, input and output, print, and then input statement. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next video. Please like this video and share this video to your friends and family. Please subscribe my channel. If you want to learn Python in Hindi, then you can also check out my another channel, the code Lakshya Hindi. So bye.